Ooh. So excited right now. I'm about to go into this new Trader Joe's that just opened up. Well, not just, but like recently opened. And I haven't been yet, and there's no line. There's a lot of parking. If you live in LA, you understand why I'm even talking about those things. Like lines and parking are just inevitable, especially in this climate. But yeah, I'm so excited. I might do a little bit of a vlog, but I'm definitely gonna do a whole grocery haul and show you guys my favorite things and stuff. But I just was so excited I had to get on camera right now. Hey guys, what's happening? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? No, I'm just kidding. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Before we get started in today's video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up too, just so I know if this is the type of videos you guys like. I think you guys like the grocery hauls, more specifically like Trader Joe's, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy them. Also comment down below what your favorite Trader Joe's items are, because I'm always looking for a new Trader Joe's product. Love Trader Joe's. Yeah, we'll get into it once we get into the grocery haul. But as you guys can see from the title, today we are doing a Trader Joe's grocery haul. I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite things from Trader Joe's, as well as some new items that I haven't tried yet. But yeah, we're not even gonna keep the intro long. We're gonna get straight into it. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so I had to move two of the bags because I wanted you guys to be able to really like see me in the intro. But I did spend about $200. To be exact, it was $176.47. So here is the receipt. It shows the complete total as like 200 and something dollars because I did get cash back, but the actual groceries were $176. So let's get into it real quick. Today's gonna be the same day you guys see this video, so hi, happy Sunday. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday. Great start to the week, fresh start. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay sane. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's start, I guess, going this way. So, first bag. Let me actually move this bag down again. Oh, so we can put this bag in. Okay, so here's the first bag we're gonna go through. They're all out of order, so it's not gonna be categorized, I'm sorry. First thing I have here is the pickled popcorn. Yeah, popcorn in a pickle. This is it. So freaking good. I love pickled popcorn. If you guys like pickles, you'll love this. I'm like obsessed. People are like, you know, either hate pickles or love pickles. If you love them, this is so good. It literally tastes just like a pickle. I want to open this right now, but I'm gonna try to refrain from like snacking throughout the video. Another snack that I got are these salt and vinegar chips. These are really, really good. They're kettled. I love a good kettle chip. The reason why I got these specifically is because although they're really, really good, I'm not a huge vinegar fan, so I don't sit there and eat the whole bag of these. Like, it's easier for me to stop eating them. How sad is that? I have to like not even get what I really, really like so that I don't overeat it. I also got some green tea mochi ice cream. I love the mochi. I love mochi in general, but I really love the Trader Joe's mochi. Really, really good. I actually have had mochi on this channel when I did my ASMR video. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll put a little card above so you guys can check it out. All right, what else do we have here? Just some eggs, you know, regular brown eggs, just, you know, a dozen. I also got egg whites because If you know me, you know I don't like egg yolks. So even when I do use the eggs, I usually just use egg whites, but sometimes other people want to eat eggs that are at my house that want yolks. So, you know, I'll have that just for that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but whatever. My favorite salad mix from Trader Joe's is the Califerous Crunch. That's what it's called, right? Yes, the Califerous Crunch. It has like Brussels sprouts and cabbage and kale and broccoli. Kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage. It's really, really good, and it's really crunchy. If you're like me and you love a good crunch, this salad is 10 out of 10. I also got just some cilantro. I like fresh cilantro in my food. One of my favorite sweet snacks from Trader Joe's are the coconut strips. These are really good. They taste like straight sugar to me, and they probably are straight sugar. They're not the best as far as like, there's 28 grams of carbs per serving, 170 calories. There's 23 grams of sugar. So these aren't good for you by any means, but it plays a trick on my head. Like if I have a couple of these, I'm good, and like it's better than eating a carton of ice cream, right? So yeah. I got some fresh cut watermelon just to have. Okay, I also got some protein bars, those, and then I have these Kind bars. This one is the peanut butter and dark chocolate. I also got another one. It's probably in one of these bags that was, I think it was sea salt and caramel. Really good. I also got this raw sunflower seed pack. I love putting this in my salads. I also just love eating them plain. I don't know what it is, but the raw sunflower seeds are my thing. Okay, that's it for the first bag. Oh, okay, this is the next one. Oh my God. Sorry guys, just trying to break up things. Okay, I think I saw Stassi baby, Anastasia Karen Nicolau. I don't know if I pronounced her name correctly, but I think she used these on her Instagram story, and they're jicama wraps, and you can use them for like tacos, quesadillas, wraps, sandwiches, whatever. Whoa, but they're only 15 calories for 2 of them. So I was like, woo, let me try that out. You know, a girl could use an alternative to some wheat or floured or corn tortillas. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like them, probably in another video. I also got some mushrooms. These are just baby Bella mushrooms. They're super tiny, and I think they're perfect for grilling. They even say ready for summer grilling right on front, so yeah. I just got some waters. I like their alkaline water at Trader Joe's. These are the 1.5 liter bottles, so yeah. I also got these carrots. I love these carrots. They're like the colorful carrots. I like roasting these or like adding them to a soup. I probably won't be making any soups during this time since it is summer, but these are really, really good. I also got some broccolini. I love broccolini. I love it better than broccoli because you can eat the whole thing and it tastes good all the way to the end. I also got these Middle Eastern style flatbread. They're the whole wheat ones. I used to eat these all the time in college when I first became a Trader Joe's junkie, and they're really, really good. You can spread some hummus on them and put whatever choice of meat you like. For those that are new here, I am pescatarian, so most of the stuff you're gonna see here is going to be either veggie-based or seafood-based. And I have some cool vegan items that I wanna try out in here as well. But yeah, those are the wraps. Oh, here's the other Kind bar that I was talking about earlier. I also got some chorizo. I love chorizo. I even liked chorizo before I stopped eating meat. I don't know, it just tastes better to me than the regular chorizo. So yeah, got some of that. I also got some Modelo's because lately I've been craving a Modelo with some lime, and I think it's like a summer thing. So, you know, all my beer drinkers, if you know, you know. This is just for like my light beer. I also got other beers, you'll see. And that was it for that bag. Now we have another bag here. I got some green beans. I also got just a bag of kale. I like putting kale with my salads. I like eating kale cooked, like they're just regular greens. I don't know, I love kale. I also got this pre-made tuna salad mix because sometimes, a lot of the time, I'm lazy, so I like having this just already made on hand. I also got this Mediterranean style orzo pasta salad. I used to eat this, or I still do, all the time when I go to work because I work next to a Trader Joe's. So yeah, this is really, really good. I mean, not vegan or anything, but it is vegetarian friendly. If you eat cheese, there is feta cheese in there. So this is something new. Auntie Del, if you're watching, this is a recommendation from you. This is organic sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce, and she said it was really, really good. And so I'm gonna try it. I'll let you guys know how I like it. I also just got some cherry tomatoes. Love tomatoes in salads and pastas and all sorts of dishes. I also just got the organic brown rice that's frozen, so you can just pop it in the microwave, boom, done. We all know rice takes forever to cook, and sometimes it just doesn't come out right. So yeah, I got these, they're called teeny tiny potatoes. Okay, this next thing I got, I'm so excited about. Also a recommendation from my Auntie Del, and they are jackfruit crab cakes. I got 2 boxes of them. This one is like opening, but it's okay. But yeah, oops, let me put it up right. This is what it looks like, and these are vegan, and I'm so excited to try them. They're definitely gonna be tried today. It comes with 4 patties in the box. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like since it's open. You can't really tell, but yeah. And they're pretty low calorie. Okay, that's it for the 3rd bag. We have 2 more bags. Well, technically there's only 1 thing in this bag, so basically 1 bag left. So I got avocados, because you already know, love avocados. I got some lemons, and I got some limes. Lemons and limes, I put on a lot of different things, so yeah. I also got some kiwis, which I like putting kiwi in my yogurts, or just eating them plain, so I got some kiwis. I also got this smoked Atlantic salmon, like pastrami style. I like adding this to wraps. I like putting it on bagels. I didn't get any bagels, but I did get the flatbread I showed you guys earlier, so I could add it to that. I don't know, it's just really good, simple, easy, and delicious. I also got some sweet potato fries. I love the Trader Joe's sweet potato fries. They're so delicious and they're so easy to make. So yeah, and I feel less guilty because it's a sweet potato and not a real one. So yeah. I also got just some raw shrimp. I like this one because it's peeled and deveined for you already. It does still have the tail on them, but that's easy to remove, so not a big deal. I got some gummy bears because I'm a child, and they're like 99 cents, and they're right by the aisle when you're like checking out. They got me. I also got these God forbidden freaking plantain crisps. These are so good, but so bad, and I eat the whole bag all the time. Like I try to break it up into pieces, like, you know, break it up into portions, but I always end up coming back to the bag and wanting more, so. I don't know why I got those because I know that they're bad for me. Sometimes you just need a little guilty pleasure, okay? I also got these. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about these. They're like the Trader Joe's version of the Takis. They're chili and lime rolled corn tortillas. I love these, and I like them because I don't eat too many of them, because just like the vinegar chips, they kind of get a little sour after a while, and I just don't feel like I need to eat so many at once. I was like, I got a bottle of wine. No, they put my Pellegrino in here. You know, just some sparkling water. I've never tried this. I'm excited to try it. This is tabbouleh style hummus. I love tabbouleh. I love tahini. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this is. I also got these like organic shots, you know. This one's the Mighty Turmeric and the No Joke Ginger. I just like having these on hand for whenever I'm feeling under the weather, or just to have like a little boost, you know? I also got this chili powder seasoning because I needed chili powder and I didn't realize that it was actually a seasoning blend, but it has chili powder, cumin, organic garlic powder, and oregano. What, babe? Ron's talking to us. What's up, Ron? What's that? I'm filming. Yeah. He wants me to talk to him and not to you guys. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so this has oregano, garlic powder, cumin, and chili powder in it. So yeah, that'll be good. I also got just some regular Atlantic salmon. I'm so excited because at this new Trader Joe's, they actually had wild caught salmon. I hate farm raised salmon, not only just because it's farm raised, but because it tastes weird to me. I don't like it. So I got some fresh salmon. Then I got some black beans. I like putting this in like my makeshift burritos that I make sometimes, or just having them as a side with like avocado and like roasted corn or something. I don't know. I just like having black beans on hand. I also got one of these organic creamy cashew yogurt alternatives, and it's vanilla bean flavor. I just wanted to test it out and see how I liked it. I already love the Kite Hill yogurts that I get at Ralph's, but you know, Trader Joe's is like one of my favorite places, so I wanted to try out this one and see if I like it. I only got one just in case I don't. And then last but not least, I got beer. These are Pizza Port Permanent Vacay Indian Pale Ale. I'm an IPA drinker. Shout out to all my IPA drinkers, especially women that like IPAs. Y'all some bad bitches, okay? So I got these because I love Pizza Port. Pizza Port is actually in San Diego and I've gone before, but yeah, gotta have some beers on hand. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm so excited to make some food right now because it's almost 11, AKA it's almost my time to eat. I went to the gym this morning, I went to Target, I went to Trader Joe's. I've been running nonstop, so it's time. It's time for me to eat and enjoy one of my new Trader Joe's items. I'm excited. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys like from Trader Joe's as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Tumblr, Twitter, you know, all of them. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Yeah, you ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby, you ran